Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Call of Duty mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty game on your device if you have already installed it. And once you open it up, the game will take some time to load if you're opening it up for the first time and download some resources. Just wait for a while until the resource download is completed. And now, once the game is fully loaded, you will need to tap on the accept button to proceed forward. Now you have various different options to log into your account. If you created your account using your Facebook account, tap on the sign in with Facebook button. And if you have a Call of Duty account, you can tap on Call of Duty. Tap on whichever feature you used to sign up for your game before. And now you will either be asked to enter your credentials or you will be asked to choose your social media or your Facebook account. Just enter your username or your email address and your password and then tap on the login button. And now you will be logged in to your existing account on the Call of Duty game. Once you are logged in, you will directly be taken into the home page and you can immediately start playing. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Call of Duty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.